So it's less than a month until Grand Designs Live, and I'm in Notting Hill, and I've come to meet Built & Spaces, who can produce a fully finished home in less than 8 weeks, and they will be live at the show. So I've come along to meet the team to find out exactly how they do it. So Don, tell me about the company.
About Built Spaces? Well, okay, so we are a component-led modular building company.
With modular, I think there's an idea that there's like this pre-made box, prefabricated box, and they bring it and deliver it like the cube and those kind of things.
Yep.
Whereas our method is different. Don said it's component-led. Everything that we design is in an increment of these components to make sure that there's no on-site waste.
Okay.
It lowers the carbon footprint. These are the kind of things that are our USPs that we focus on.
So it's almost like you guys are taking the best bits of each construction method and and put them together, which is great.
Well, if you say so, Kunle.
Well, actually, I do say so.
Well, you hit on the head. I mean, it's, we spend a lot of time researching what everybody in the industry is doing.
Yeah.
And we've sat there analysing that and working out what the good bits are
Yeah.
and what the bad bits are, and removing the bad and keeping the good.
So, from the time that I have got my planning and my land, obviously, and I've contacted you, 8 weeks later, you will have designed the house for me. You will have told me what it's going to cost.
Yep. Fixed price.
Fixed price. You will have completed my foundation work for me and finished my house completely, including all internal finishings, electrics, plumbing, heating, everything.
Correct.
Yep.
Where do I sign up?
On the phone.
Or at Grand Designs Live, I'm assuming.
Grand Designs Live, absolutely.
Yeah. You'll actually be able to book in slots to come and meet us at our consultancy stand, which will be a couple of 100 metres away from the exhibit itself, and then you can come and discuss your grand designs with us.
Guys, it is extraordinary. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Absolute pleasure.
So that was absolutely fascinating. Just imagine being able to have a house ready for you to move into in just 8 weeks. Want to know more about modern methods of construction? We'll visit Grand Designs Live in the NEC in Birmingham in October.